Hi, welcome everybody. My name is Oren Tabib, and I'm gonna show you today the new SAP Business One version 8.81. Just a quick preview to show you the main features in the new version, and I will release later on a longer video that show you the benefits from that and how exactly to use every feature. Um, We have here the dashboard, which SAP provide actually at the moment three predefined dashboard, one for sales, one for service, and one for aging, or as they call uh, finance. And at the moment what you see is the sales analysis. If I'll go here to cockpit preview, I can see that the options I have in every window. So what you can see, like, it's the top 5 customers, and the item ranking. I can zoom in the items from here, see the inventory data, and continue with what I want to research about this item. Uh, we have also from the 8.8 the cockpit. So if I want like to search a customer, so I typed NO, so I see the canon because it has the NO, and I see the norm, and from here I can zoom in and into the customer, see the account balance, zoom in, see what the balance is made of, and so on. So this is one part of the dashboard that is using the integration component that SAP delivered in the version of 8.8. Another one nice thing that we have in that version is the purchasing quotation. That actually enable us to control the purchase and all the procurement process from the quotation stage, which we didn't have in all the versions. So we have an option to create few purchase quotation, compare between them, and then choose the best one for us and create a purchase order from that quotation. Other nice thing that we have in the 8.81 that we didn't have before is actually the option to see the transaction, the journal entry that will occur even before we post the document. So just for an example, I will choose here a customer. I'll choose here a few items. So the invoice is ready to go, but before I add it, I want to see the transaction. So I go to a new icon we have in that version called Journal Entry Preview. It gives me the same messages as if I would add this AR invoice. So I hit yes to all, and what you can see is the actual journal entry that will occur after posting this invoice. It's important, especially when we define new accounts or we are going live with a new system, so we want to see what actually happens, and we want to see if our definitions were correct when we build the system up. So this is another new thing we have. One other nice option is that we can define different GL accounts based on a scenario that I built, and I will show you that it's under tax code determination. So we can choose, which kind of documents, which type of documents do we want to refer. So let's go to item, and let's go to sales, and we can say that if the customer group is equal to one of our customer groups, then please use a different tax code and use a different freight tax, and in that way we can control the system and make our own rules before and without any implementation work. Another feature we have in that in 8.81 is the option to recur transactions. So if I have an invoice that I post to the customer every once of a month, I can go into here, sorry, not over here, I'm going to go to the template, and I can define what exactly I want to post every month or every week, and so on. One last thing before I finish here that we have in that version is the actually track a much better access log. I can see all our user and when the last log on the system. I can see when their password is gonna was changed, and if I'll just hit one of the users, this is the manager at the moment, and I hit on the details, I can see exactly when this user was logging in, when he was logging out, and it's much easier to track the work of the user with that tool. So this is all for now. I'm gonna finish here. Next session I will go in more deeply on the features I showed today. Thank you very much for now, and have a good day.